Division formula. Option section formula. Let us assume that P xy divides a line AB in such a way that AP ratio PB is equal to M1 ratio M2. Now, let us assume that coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. At first, we draw perpendiculars on OX as AC from point A, BD from point B and PQ from point P. Also, we draw perpendicular on BD as PR and perpendicular on PQ as AE. Therefore, we get AE equal to CQ equal to OQ minus OC equal to x minus x1. PR equal to QD equal to OD minus OQ equal to x2 minus x. PE equal to PQ minus QE equal to PQ minus AC equal to y minus y1. BR equal to BD minus RD equal to BD minus PQ equal to y2 minus y. It is clear that triangle AEP is similar to triangle PRB. Therefore, AE divided by PR is equal to PE divided by BR, which is also equal to AB divided by PB. Now, if we substitute all these values, then we get x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y equal to m1 divided by m2. Now, if we take x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x equal to m1 divided by m2 and rearrange this, then we get x equal to m1 multiplied by x2 plus m2 multiplied by x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, if we take y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y equal to m1 divided by m2 and rearrange it, then we get x equal to m1 multiplied by y2 plus m2 multiplied by y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us discuss some special cases of the section formula. Special cases. Case 1. If P is the midpoint of AB, then AP ratio PB is equal to 1 ratio 1. Hence, x is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Case 2. If m1 ratio m2 is equal to k, then the coordinates of P are k multiplied by x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 and k multiplied by y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Come on, let us understand this in a better way with the help of an example. Example: find that ratio with which the point P, M6, divides the line with coordinates A, -4, 3 and B, 2, 8. Also find the value of M. Solution: let us assume that AP ratio PB is equal to K ratio 1, then the coordinates of P are 2 multiplied by K minus 4 divided by k plus 1 and 8 multiplied by k plus 3 divided by k plus 1. But the given coordinates of P are m6. Therefore, if we compare both the values, then we get 8k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to 6, which means that 8k plus 3 is equal to 6k plus 6, which means that 2k is equal to 3 or k is equal to 3 divided by 2. Therefore, AP ratio PB is equal to 3 divided by 2 ratio 1 equal to 3 ratio 2, and M equal to 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1, which means that M multiplied by 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 minus 4, which means 5 divided by 2 multiplied by M is equal to minus 1, or M is equal to minus 2 divided by 5.